What is going on, guys? Traxxas to the Maxes back here, back on the channel with my newest and most expensive purchase for the channel. Okay? I've ordered this Creality Ender 3 Pro of Core Electronics, and let's just say it was fantastic service of them. So, Core Electronics, feel free to send us anything our way for that comment. Now, let's talk about the machine itself. No complaints so far. Pretty standard, pretty fantastic. Not computer. I'm gonna say computer because it's that advanced. Printer. Now, pros, everything, very beginner friendly. My one shipped with thermal runaway protection, which I tested through the computer port and plugged it in to the wall, because obviously the computer port does not have enough power to heat up the nozzle, so if it did, that would simulate thermal runaway protection. So I'm quite satisfied mine came with that installed already, but there might be future upgrades, boot flashing the firmware and other stuff. But I'm rambling on. Let's get back to it. Pros, fantastic beginner. The only con I could really complain about is that it doesn't really ship with a leveling system. The knobs are a bit finicky, but that's to be expected on this price point printer. Let's hope Creality. I've seen that they're making a Creality Ender 3 new one. They're coming out with 3 new printers, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. So that definitely will be pretty exciting for the channel if I decide to get another one. Might go the Prusa route. Don't know. Okay? This 3D printer would be useless without filament, like any other printer would be. I personally opted for a J-Car assortment. I got the Flash Forge PLA 3D printing filament, blue, orange and black. Straight away, they cost me 40 bucks each. So that's already 120 bucks just for filament. Now, in my opinion, bit expensive, you know. This all adds up to a lot of money, $600-700, which is a lot for a working class bloke like me. Now, I've opted just recently for these CC DIY filaments. Now, I've got no complaints about them at all. They're both beautifully wound on the spool, which is fantastic for my needs. They come out perfectly, and as you can see, I printed this brown tree trunk desktop's pen or pencil holder, which I'll have linked in the description below, like I will with every single product in this video, because I give credit where credit is due, because all these designs I've witnessed are just astonishing. Remember to subscribe, like the video. Traxxas to the Maxes, signing off.